Hi, I'm Dr. Carly York with Resources Real Estate. So, without further ado, how did the market do in January of 2023? The median sale price for January of 2023 was $581,250. That's an increase of 9.9% over the median price of 2022. The really interesting fact here is there were only 420 homes sold in Monmouth County for the entire month of January 2023. That's a decrease of over 33% from last year. New listings are also down. We only had 628 new homes come to the market fresh in January 2023. That's a decline from last year of 6.1%. Now, if we take a look at the total number of homes, again, we're looking at the volume of houses sold over the last 5 years, we're going to see a significant drop for this year of 2023. Back in 2019, there were 577 homes sold. In 2020, we increased to 650 homes. That was dramatically increased in 2021 to 717 homes sold. Then we went back a little lower last year, as I mentioned, 628 homes sold in 2022. And this year, January of 2023, only saw 420 homes sold. Now let's take a look at price growth. That has been steadily climbing for the last 5 years. In 2019, the median home sale price for January was $380,000. When we moved up to January of 2020, that's still pre-pandemic, we saw an increase to $403,700. Then we go to 2021, and there's a massive jump because we're in the middle of the comeback after the pandemic, so to speak. 2021 had a median home sale price for the month of January at $489,900. January 2022, we keep climbing, and the median home sale price was $529,000. Then again, this year we saw yet another 9% increase, almost 10% increase to the median home sale price in Monmouth County, and we are currently at $581,250. That means that if you bought a house in January 2019, it would be $200,000 less than you would have to pay if you were going to buy a house in 2023. That's a 53% rise in median home sale price from January 2019 up till present day 2023. So what is causing this dramatic increase in prices even though we're experiencing fewer home sales? Well, the story, once again, is inventory. We are low on inventory in Monmouth County. In previous videos, I've talked about a balanced market being 6 months of inventory supply. That means that if no new homes came to the market, it would take 6 months for all of the present inventory to be sold off. In January 2019, we had 4.5 months of inventory supply. That is definitely a seller's market, but it's much closer to the balance that we are hoping for of 6 months. Now let's fast forward to January of 2020. There were 3.8 months of inventory supply. So the needle was shifting more in the favor of the sellers as time progressed. In January of 2021, there were only 2.08 months of supply. January 2022, the situation became a little bit more dire with only 1.39, just under 1.4 months of inventory supply. So in January 2023, we had an inventory of 2.6 months of supply. So low inventory coupled with strong buyer demand means that the level or the speed of houses selling is still pretty quick. So if we take a look back at January 2019, on average, it took 60 days for a house to be listed and then be marked under contract. Now this year, 2023, we've seen a return to 2021 levels. So it was 37 days on the market, January 2023, for a house to be listed and then move under contract. Right now, as of the beginning of February 2023, there are 1,015 total homes for sale in Monmouth County. That includes condos and townhouses, single-family houses, and active adult communities. We are still in a seller's market. It's not going away. So if you have a home to sell, you are in a really good position. However, I will say that it's a much better time this year, 2023, for buyers because there is a slight increase in inventory and not quite as many folks are vying for these houses due to the increase in interest rates. If you are interested in selling or buying a house in Monmouth County, New Jersey, please call me, Dr. Carly York with Resources Real Estate, 732-212-0440.